Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix any desk not working Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all right click on a start menu and go to your task manager. Scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. So here is a Windows Explorer. Select it and click on a restart. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening the command, first of all type a command is netsh space winsock space reset. After that, type a command is netsh space int space ip space reset. After that, type a command is ipconfig space slash flash DNS. After that, type a command is ipconfig space slash release. After that, type a command is ipconfig space slash renew. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.